Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today we're doing my tape measure collection. As you can see, I have quite a lot of them. And yeah, we're just gonna. First up, we have number one is the Stanley 6-foot Fat Max. This is the one it looks like before foot. And yeah, they didn't put a stop there, put a 2. Next up, we have the 8-foot Night Eye. It's really nice. This is the one it looks like before foot. And just did that way. Oh. You can see right there. Next up, we have the Blue Ridge 12-foot tape measure. Smallest tape measure I use. This is the one it looks like before foot. Oh, shouldn't do. Oh my god. Definitely a helping hand. Next up, we have the helping hand 12-foot tape measure. This is the one it looks like before foot. And you know that part there. I shouldn't do this. Yeah, that's all my 12-footers. Gonna go to the average measures. We have the Toolbox Hardware 16-foot tape measure. It looks nice, but I wrote 16-foot on it. And this is the one it looks like before foot. Yeah. It goes out about that much. Right. We have we have the Fiskars 16-foot tape measure. But no contest. This is the one it looks like before foot. And you know what I'm gonna do now? Oh shit. One, two, CPDD. Yeah. What it looks like for the end of the tape. As you can see right down. 16-foot tape measure. This is the one it looks like before foot. And actually, no. Super. Yeah. 16 feet and 5 meters. Never heard of a tape line before. And if up to the next tape measure, we have the Regal 25-foot tape measure. Really kind of nice, but as you can see, I put feet in inches for that. This is the one that looks like before foot, and as you see, I scribble on this tape measure 27 feet, 8 meters, or 80 feet. And I use the scribble on the bed of my tape measure. Oh. Says stop. 10-inch, 21 feet, 51. And should I pull out the tape measure? And next up we have a Cobalt 25-foot tape measure. And as you can see, it's kind of different, but yeah, that was a different tape measure for well. And this is the one it looks like before foot. When you get between 289 and 299, yeah. This is a Craftsman 25-foot tape measure. This is the one it looks like before foot. And it only goes out to 20. Yeah. Whoa. That's kind of. We have two Hart 25-foot chromes with this tape measure. This is my 25-foot, and as you can see, I scribbled centimeter markings, and I used to scribble on a bit of my tape measures. So this one is the exact same one as this scribble. This is the one that looks like a 4 foot, 11 inches or 12 inches. And as you can see, it too far a lot of times it will break, so yeah, don't pull out the image too far, because that would be weird. This is a Hart 25-foot auto lock. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. Yeah. Next up, we have the Project Source 25 foot tape measure. And as you can see, it's smooth. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. Yeah. Yeah. Now next up we have the Lufkin 25 foot control series. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. As you see, we tried the 25 foot tape measure test, but uh-oh. Now next tape measure, we have the 25 foot Lufkin. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. It's 1 foot. When it hits 25. Yeah. Next up we have the Lufkin 25 foot tape measure. I really like this tape measure. Now I should have any metric on one side. It has like double inches and yeah, they done stuff. Yeah. Oh. Next up we have the Kamelon 25 foot tape measure. This is the one it looks like with 4 feet. And then decimal equivalent. And up to 7 foot mark. What are we on now? We're at the 7 foot mark. And yeah. This is what we record a video. Go past the stop. Now next up we have the Blue Ridge 25 foot tape measure. It's the one it looks like with 4 foot. And yeah. Whoa! Did you see? Take a minute fast. Next up we have the Kamelon 25 foot tape measure. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. NC 125 foot tip. I like this tape measure. It's one of my favorite Kamelon so far, but yeah. lock. This is the another Chocobo 25-foot tape measure. See, it's an LED light. This is a touch lock tape, and this is an LED light tape. Now we're up to the We're up to the Come On 8-meter tape measure. That's stuff from tape 280. I love metric, but I also love imperial, which is inches and feet. This is the one it looks like the 4-foot. Now we have the lever lock 8-meter tape measure. I remastered this just in case I needed to oh. Yeah. Next up, we're on to the bigger ones. This is a Hart 30-foot chrome. I really like this tape measure. Now, this is the one that looks like the 4-foot. Yeah, why do I keep doing that all the time? Yeah. Next up, we have the Hamalon 30-foot tape measure. This is the one that looks like a 4-foot. Yeah. 32. You gotta use a 25-foot or a 30-foot tape. I got the right one. This is the Hart 30-foot tape measure. This is the one it looks like a 4-foot. Yeah. Whoa. As you can see, it's only 4 seconds. Alright, so I'm gonna have the Lufkin 30-footers. This is the Lufkin 30-foot tape measure. And I can just fastest tape measure for Lufkin. And yeah. Oh! He's gonna try to hurt me. Anyway, this is the one that looks like the 4-foot. Well, because in the project. So, come on. So I'm gonna have the Legacy Series 30-foot. 30-foot measure. Yeah. This is why you never do that. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. And I also have other tape measures. These are 33 foot tape measures. This is one of these 3 foot tape measures with the Kesson. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot, and I should have been measured. And I don't know why I love this so much. Kind of does this, but I should have having metric on one side has like 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 of a foot. 25 foot tape measure. No, there. Then we have the 33 foot Pittsburgh. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. And as you can see, the tape measure itself, it's yeah. Next up we have the JobSmart 33 foot tape measure. This is the one that looks like a 4 foot. Dirty heat. Yeah. The tape. Now we're gonna. What the hell? Now we're going to the 35 foot tape measures. This is one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite Cobalt, the 35 foot tape. As you can see, it's wide and it has a 12 foot standout. This is the one it looks. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. And what the hell? See my jam. This is what the hell is this? What the hell? What is this? That was a 35 foot I did never own. This is a 35 foot power lock. This is the one that looks like 4 foot. Again, that was the truck. Ooh. 35 foot mark. Yeah, I couldn't pull the tape all the way out. This is the 35 foot tape measure. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. And this is why I love 35 foot tape measures. Next up we have the Hart 35-foot auto lock. This is the one that looks like a 4-foot. Oh! This is not. Milwaukee 35-foot magnetic. This is on the 35-foot normal magnetic. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. This is 3 times more often. There's some of the 35 foot too. Yeah. First thing to do is subject. This is a 35 foot tip. This one's gonna put it there. This one here is a Lufkin 35-foot tape measure. This is one it looks like a 4 foot. Whoa. Yeah. 35. So this is the 35-foot contractor. I'm not gonna pull this out. I done stuff. This is the one that looks. This is the one that looks like a 4 foot. Next up, we have the 35-foot measuring tape. This is the one that looks like a 4 foot. Here, I'm gonna use the same thing for 35-foot tape. What? Meaning that I can. Yeah. Oh. No, see you run down. Now we have the 35-foot tape measure. We're gonna have the Lufkin 35-foot. This is the one that looks like a 4 foot. Yeah, 35 foot. Now next we have the 35-foot night eye. This is the one that looks like a 4 foot. And this is the longest video I will ever make because of the Milwaukee poop out. Oh. Yeah. And next we have one egg on my head. There's the 35-foot pit. This is one. It looks like a 4-foot. It's a new project. So come on. I the 35-foot tape measure. This is the one that looks like a 4-foot. Common likes. This is the one. Yeah. And whoa. I don't know where the hell is that, but this is the 35-foot company. This is the one it looks like a 4-foot. Harbor Freight and Walmart tape measures are the one that this is the one. Yeah. Whoa. So I'm gonna have to tough these 35-foot. I should have a metric that has double-sided the wall. This is the one it looks like with 4 feet. That's a 35 foot. Yeah. Mm. 6.98 seconds. This is the hard 35 foot tape measure. This is the one that looks like with 4 feet. And looks in the project. So come on. So I'm gonna have the 35 foot tape. Right. This is the Stanley Fat Max Hyper Tough 35 foot tape measure. This is the one it looks like with 4 foot. And yeah. Whoa. This is the 40-foot measuring tape. Just stop that. Anyway, this is the one it looks like 4 foot. looks like metal. It looks like Baboozle. Well, next up we have the 40-foot tape measure. So, this is the one faster. Tape measure. 40 feet. .78 seconds. Alright, I'm gonna go to the really big ones. These are reeling from now on. This is the fiberglass 100-foot tape measure. Royal fiberglass. This is the one it looks like before foot. Yards. Oh. 34. That's how long it goes to. 100 feet. No, this is a 100-foot Cornwall gripper. This is the one that looks like before foot. Because they do not stretch. Steel blades are critical for dead-on accuracy. These tips will also provide unparalleled toughness. This is the one it. Ow. We're going to pull out the 50 feet. No, really big one. This Pittsburgh 165 foot tape measure. This is the one it looks like before foot. Next up, for 100 foot tape measure. This is the one it looks like before foot. Made of durable fiberglass material. I like durable fiberglass. Next up, we have the Hart 100 foot tape measure. As it is made of durable Hart tape. And next we have the Tesla 100 foot tape measure. This is the one it looks like before foot. $60.
Hello, my love. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. This time we'll review Ogo, which is a new yarn and yarnspiration that they claim is
GT.
start and tangle free. So since this is a special yarn, it's gonna get a special yarn review. Not only am I only reviewing Ogo onto the page, but I solicited questions from my YouTube fam and my Instagram fam, and you guys had a lot of questions about this yarn. So I'm gonna give my 2 cents, but I'm also gonna answer. I'm super excited to talk about this yarn, but first let's check in with today's video sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for experienced and enthusiasts. Millions of members visit this video workshop platform. We'll get a free trial of this video membership. I'm super excited to continue partnering with Skillshare. It's an awesome platform. But in addition to my video sponsors, I want to thank you guys too. We're like super focused about stuff and how long y'all have been rocking with me, how much y'all support my channel, and it just means the world to me. So thank you. Thank you for being here. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video and start with the trick.
We have the Kobo 100 foot tape measure. This is an opening that is 4 times faster. Stop.
Hi.
This is the one it looks like before foot. Alright. I will never pull the tape measure all the way out anymore. Some big ones. This is the 250 foot. When I got my hand up, there's the R250 tape. We have this Toolorama, and it can take a while to unwrap. And next up, we have the Kobo 300 foot tape measure. Instead of having metric on one side, it has like 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 of a foot. So I only go like 0.10 of a foot. This is the 330 foot Pittsburgh. And it does the same thing. It's the metric. And yeah, I done stuff to this. Next up, we have this 400 foot tape measure. This is the one it looks. This is the one it looks like before foot. And now, the moment you have all been waiting for. The 1,000 foot tape measure. It is the largest tape measure in the world, and it is handmade by Neil Tape and a speaker. We will combine together to make 1,000 foot tape measure. Alright, that's all my tape measures. So I think I'm gonna go. Thank you. Bye.